Okay, guys, this is the homework 11.2. It's the first day. It's page 141 through 142, questions 1, 2, 7, 10, and 1, 2, and 9 from the worksheet. It says find the area of each circle. Use 3.14 as approximation for pi. So instead of using 22/7, they're asking you to use 3.14. Again, you can use your calculator today. We know that the area is pi times the radius squared, so that means it's going to be the radius times the radius. So if we look at this, 10 is the radius because it's from the center point out, so it'd be 3.14 times the radius, which is 10, times the radius again, so your answer would be 314 centimeters squared. The next one, this is a diameter, therefore you need to find the radius, which is going to be half of this. So half of 50 is 25. So it'd be 3.14 times 25, which is 1,962 and 5/10. Circular pendant has a diameter of 7 centimeters. Find its area. Use 22/7 as the approximation for pi. All right, so we have pi times the radius squared. We're now using 22/7, which half of the diameter would be 3.5 times 3.5 times 22/7. You get 38½ centimeters for your answer. The cost of an 8-inch pizza is $4. The cost of a 16-inch pizza is $13. Use 3.14 as an approximation for pi. How much greater is the area of the 16-inch pizza than the area of the 8-inch pizza? Well, first we got to find both their areas. So we take pi times the radius squared, and we have 3.14 times 4. Again, this is the diameter. 8 inches is the diameter. You have to use radius, which is 4 times 4. You would get 50.24 inches squared for the first pizza. The second pizza, it's a 16-inch pizza, so we have to find the radius, which is going to be 8. 8 times 8 times 3.14 is 296 hundredths. And then it says, how much greater is the area of the 16 than the area of the 8? Well, the answer is 150.72 because we would subtract them. Now, what is the better deal? Explain your reasoning. The book comes out with 16-inch pizza because it costs less per square inch than an 8-inch pizza. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to quickly just divide both of these out by their price, and we'll go from there. Okay, for the second answer, you basically have to take the cost and divide it by the number of square inches. So for this one, for the first 4-inch, we divided, or excuse me, it was an 8-inch pizza, but we divided $4 by 50.24, which is the area, and you get 0.079, which is basically 8 cents per square inch. This one, the bigger pizza, is $13 divided by 200.96, and you get 0.064, which is about 6 cents per square inch. Don't make the mistake of saying, well, the 8-inch is half, so it's $4 for half of it, and then the 16 is more than half, therefore the 16-inch has to cost more. It doesn't work out that way with circles, because remember, we're dealing with circles, and we're dealing with the area of them, not their diameters. So again, the better price is going to be the 16-inch. Find the area of each circle, use 3.14. So this one, the radius is 20. You do 3.14 times 20 times 20, you get 1,256. This one, is the radius is going to be 4, so it's going to be 4 times 3.14, which is 50 and 24 hundredths. A 6-inch pizza costs $3.50. A 12-inch pizza costs $11. How much less is the area of the 6-inch than the area of the 12-inch? Hopefully, after doing the first one, you guys got this one right. This time we use 22/7 for pi. So it's 22/7 times the diameter, which is going to be half, or excuse me, times the radius, which is going to be half of the diameter. So it's 3 times 22/7, which comes out to be 28 and 29 hundredths. The area of the 12-inch is going to be 22/7 times 6 times 6, which comes out to 13 and or 113 and 1400ths. Then we would subtract them and you get 84.85. Next, if we are doing the cost per square inch, you would take the price and divide it by the number of square inches, so we end up with 12 cents per square inch for the 6-inch pizza. Then we take the $11 divided by the number of square inches, and you end up with 10 cents per square inch. So the 12-inch pizza is going to end up being the better deal. That's it. Hopefully this helps. Have a good one, guys.